Hello everyone, now we have to discuss the problems based on nodal analysis with dependent sources. So, this is the first problem. So, in the circuit shown, the current I1 we have to calculate, the current I1 we have to calculate. Okay. Therefore, we all know that this is the node V. So, we have to calculate first V, later we will calculate I1. Okay. Solution. So, see the current direction is what? Towards this node. This is I2, this is phi I1. This is given, no? So, I1 and phi I1 directions are given. So, we are assuming the current direction I2, that is it. So, by KCL, what is the current direction? Entering current is what? I1 plus current controlled current source, that is also phi I1, leaving current is equals to I2, right. So, it is 6 I1 which is equals to, what is the value of I2? It is V by 10, right. V minus 0, this is ground, V minus 0 by 10. Therefore, V is equals to what? 60 I1. So, V is equals to 60 I1. This is 1. We know that what is the value of I1? 250 minus V by 2.5, right. 250 minus V by 2.5. This is 2. Substitute equation 2 in 1. So, we have to substitute, sorry, 1 into equation 1 into. So, we have to substitute this V value 60 I1 into this equation. Therefore, I1 is equals to 250 minus, what is the value of V? 60 I1 by 2.5. So, 2.5 I1 plus 60 I1 is equals to 250. 62.5 I1 is equals to 250. Therefore, from this I1 is equals to 4 amps. From this I1 is equals to 250 by 62.5, 4 amps. The option is A. Already we have discussed this problem by using mesh analysis, right. Next, this one. In the circuit shown in figure, the value of current I will be given by. So, this we have to calculate the value of current I. So, he provided the node A and node B. So, from this node the current is leaving I1, I2 like this. This is the current we have to calculate through this branch. Okay. Okay. This is the current I3. Okay. I4. First, at node A, what is the KCL equation? I1 is leaving plus I2 is leaving, which is equals to 0, right. Therefore, I1 is what? Is the node A, that is nothing but VA. The voltage at node A is nothing but VA minus plus minus, that is 5 by, what is the value of resistance? 1 plus, what about I2? VA minus 0 by 1, that is VA by 1, which is equals to 0. From this 2 VA is equals to 5, VA is equals to what? 2.5 volts. So, we are having the value of VA, that is 2.5. Okay. Next, at node B, see I3, I4 which is equals to 0. What is I3? VB minus 0 by 1 plus VB, this is voltage control voltage source, minus 4 VAB by 3 which is equals to 0. From this 3 VB plus VB minus 4 VAB is equals to 0. That is 4 VB minus, what is the value of VAB? VA minus VB, which is equals to 0. So, from this 8 VB is equals to 4 VA. Therefore, 2 VB is equals to 2 VA. Sorry, 2 VB equals to VA. So, VB is equals to VA by 2, which is equals to VA is nothing but 2.5. 2.5 by 2 is equals to 1.25 volts. Therefore, VI is equals to what? 2.5. VB is equals to what? 1.25. VB equals to 1.25. So, we have to calculate the value of I. Therefore, I is equals to what? I is equals to what? I is nothing but I4, no? VA, see the current direction. 4 VAB minus B VB by 3, which is equals to 4 VAB minus VB by 3, right. That is, from this VAB is what? 2.5 minus 1.25, that is 1.25 volts. Therefore, I is equals to 4 into 1.25 minus, what is the value of VB? 1.25 by 3. So, I is equals to 1.25 into 5, that is 3.75 by 3. Therefore, I equals to 1.25 amps. 1.25 amps. Option B is correct. Next problem is GATE 2000 problem. So, from this the circuit shown in figure is equivalent to a load of. So, this is the circuit, this is the node, we do not know the value of the node voltage. So, this is given as, this is I, this is we do not know, that is I1, this is I2, right. So, I is equals to I1 plus I2, that is it. This is what? Current control voltage source. So, this is nothing but voltage value, right. Therefore, I is nothing but what? As it is I1 is V, we do not know what is the value of resistance 4 plus what is the value of I2. V minus, this is the voltage value, V minus 2I by 2, V minus 2I by 2. So, from this 4VI, 4I is equals to V plus 2V minus 4I. So, 8I is equals to 3V. So, from this V by I is equals to what? 8 by 3 ohms. V by I is equals to 8 by 3. Very easy problem. Option B. Next problem is, in the given circuit the parameter K is positive, this is the positive value, and the power dissipated in 2 ohm resistor. The power dissipated in this 2 ohm resistor is what? 12.5 watts. Then the value of K is we have to calculate. Okay. Solution. Given the power dissipated through 2 ohm resistor is what? That is 12.5, right. So, the voltage across this 2 ohm branch is nothing but V naught, right. Therefore, V naught square by R is equals to 12.5, right. So, with this V naught square is equals to 12.5 into what is the value of R? 2. So, from this we will get the value of V naught should be equals to V naught square equals 25, V naught is equals to 5 volts. So, like this we will get. So, V naught is 5 volts. Okay. Then we will apply KCL. Then before that we have to assume our currents, right. This is the node, unknown voltage, unknown node voltage is nothing but V. So, this is the current direction towards the node and this is the current direction which is out of the node given. So, this is our assumption I. Okay. So, at this node I is leaving and phi is leaving, K V naught is nothing but entering. I plus phi is equals to K V naught. We all know that I plus phi is equals to what is the value of K? We do not know, which is V naught value is nothing but phi. So, from this I is nothing but what? V minus 4 by 2. I is nothing but V minus 4 by 2 plus 5 is equals to K 5. So, from this V plus 6 which is equals to 10 k. We will get V plus 6 is equals to 10 k. We have to calculate the value of k. Here two variables are there, no, V and 6, sorry, V and k. Then we have to find the value of V. We know that from this V naught is equals to 5, right? V naught is equals to 5. The current I is equals to V naught by 2, right? The current I is equals to V naught by 2. So, here is equals to 2 into I, 2I is nothing but 5. I is equals to 5 by 2 amps. But see the direction. Here we are assuming V minus 4, but see the terminals across the voltage, the terminals at the voltage is nothing but what? Plus minus. The current is from negative to positive. Therefore, the corresponding value is what? From negative to positive of V naught. Current is from negative to positive of V naught. Therefore, I is equals to minus 5 by 2 amps. This is very important observation. Okay. I is equals to minus 5 by 2 amps. Then you can substitute the value of I in this. There is no need of this, I think, right. Therefore, from this minus 5 by 2 plus 5 is equals to k 5. So, from this minus 5 plus 10 is equals to 10 k, right. 5 is equals to 10 k, k is equals to 5 by 10 which is equals to 0.5, that is it, it is equals to 0.5. So, this is the given circuit. We have to calculate the voltage at this point. We have to calculate the node voltage V A. So, I 1 is given like this, no? This is I 1 given. This is current controlled voltage source. There is no current direction. Therefore, it is leaving. Our assumption completed. In this branch, this is given, that is 5 amps, completed. In this branch, there is no current, that is I 2, I 1, I 2, I 3, that is it. Therefore, at node A, what is the equation? Entering current is only 5, right? 5 is equals to I 1 is leaving, I 2 is leaving, I 3 is also leaving. Okay. Therefore, 5 is equals to, what is the value of I 1? As it is we can write, plus I 2 is nothing but what? See, I 1, why I 1 is like this? See, here we have current control voltage source in terms of I 1, that is why I kept like this. Okay. I 2 is nothing but V A minus, see, minus plus, minus of minus, minus 10 I 1 by 5 plus, what is the value of I 3? That is V A by 5, that is it. Clear? Then from this 25 is equals to 5 I 1 plus V A plus V A, 2 V A plus 10 I 1, that is it. From this 25 is equals to 15 I 1 plus 2 V A, 15 I 1 plus 2 V A. Then here we have two unknowns, I 1 and V A. But from the circuit, what is the value of I 1? See, I 1 is equals to the voltage at this point, that is V A minus, see, plus minus 10 by 5 plus 5, right. Therefore, 10 I 1 is equals to V A minus 10. Therefore, in play V A is equals to 10 I 1 plus 10, V A is equals to 10 I 1 plus 1. Then substitute this V A into this. This is 1. Therefore, equation 1 becomes what? 25 is equals to 15 I 1 plus 2 into V A, 10 I 1 plus 10. Therefore, 25 is equals to 15 I1 plus 20 I1, that is 35 I1 plus 20. From this 35 I1 equals to 5. 35 I1 is equals to 5. I1 equals to what? 1 by 7 amps. I1 is 1 by 7 amps. Therefore, VA is equals to what? 10 into 1 by 7 plus 10, that is 10 plus 70 by 7. Therefore, VA is equals to 80 by 7 is equals to 11.42 volts. We already discussed this problem in mesh analysis. The answer is 11.42. Answer is 11.42 volts. Completed. Right? So, like this we have to solve. Next problem is, this is also we solve, right? So, from this we will calculate V2 by V1, that is it. So, this is given. So, this is V2, means this is nothing but V2, right? This is I1, we can assume. This is entering alpha I. Okay? So, at that node, entering current is what? I plus alpha I is equals to I1. Simple. Entering current is I plus alpha I is equals to I1. Therefore, I into 1 plus alpha is equals to I1. That is it. I into 1 plus alpha is equals to I1. So, from this what is the value of I? I should be equals to, see, V1 minus V2 by R, right? Then V1 minus V2 by R into 1 plus alpha, which is equals to, what is the value of I1? This is I, and what is the value of I1? See, V2 by R. Substitute V2 by R, that is it. So, RR gets cancelled. Therefore, V1 minus V2 into 1 plus alpha equals to V2. Therefore, from this V2 V1 by V2 minus V2 by V2 is equals to 1 by 1 plus alpha. From this V1 by V2 minus 1 is equals to 1 by 1 plus alpha. So, V1 by V2 is equals to 1 by 1 plus alpha plus 1. So, therefore, here it is 2 plus alpha by 1 plus alpha, that is V1 by V2, but we want V2 by V1. Therefore, V1 by V2 is equals to V2 by V1 equals to 1 plus alpha by 2 plus alpha. That is it. Answer is 1 plus alpha by 2 plus alpha.